Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to be giving you guys my top 3 REITs. Those are real estate investment trusts. These are companies that are required to pay out 90% of their taxable income in dividends back to their investors. And a lot of these pay out their dividends every single month. You know this is a very big dividend channel. This is how we create passive income. Dividends is the most passive income way to where you can make money by doing absolutely nothing. I'm talking about sometimes I go to bed and I wake up and I got more money inside my Robinhood account than I started with just because I'm investing into these dividend paying companies. Now, we all love REITs because they pay such a high dividends. I just told you why. So I read this article about these top 13 real estate dividend paying stocks, and actually 4 of my favorites in there, but we can only talk about 3. I get into that for a reason. But make sure that you stick to the end because the last one pay a dividend of over 8%. So make sure you stay all the way through the end so you can catch all of these. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 each. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you could sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, I left a link down in the description to Coinbase. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on this article. The title of it is the 13 best REITs to own in 2021. So let's just go ahead and start scrolling, and I'm going to show you which of these 13 was my top 3 picks for you guys that I'm going to start investing into. In fact, I'm already investing into 3 of them on this list, and the last one I'm planning on adding to it so I could create more passive income through dividends. So let's go ahead and get started. So scrolling down, I gotta scroll through this one, number 4. Not even gonna say the name of it. You guys can read it. Last time I talked about it, got a little strike. You guys could probably figure out why. But this one is amazing. $4.2 billion company, dividend yield of 2.7%. In fact, I already have them inside of my portfolio. Let me show you right quick. So here we are on Robinhood. They're up 204% over the last year. They're $192.14. I'm currently up 101% on this company alone. I have 1.5 shares. Reasons I can't talk about it, you guys probably are smart enough to figure out why, but let's go ahead and dive back into the list. All right, here we go to the first top 3 favorite on this list that I can actually talk about, if you know what I mean. It's CubeSmart. CubeSmart has a market value of $6.6 billion with a dividend yield of 4%. With 1,260 properties nationwide, CubeSmart ranks among the top 3 self-storage REITs in the US. CubeSmart owns more than 500 stores and 37.1 million square feet of rentable space, manages another 750 stores and 49 million square feet of space for third parties. Now, so basically they're a storage company where they have all of these facilities. They are amongst the top 3 inside the United States. Let's go over to Robinhood right quick and see how have they been performing over the last year. If we type in CubeSmart, so over the last year, they're up $11.95, up 45.04%. So CubeSmart has been doing extremely well. If we go back over to CubeSmart, so CubeSmart, they drive majority of their revenue, 70% of their revenue from major metropolitan markets like New York, Miami, Chicago, Dallas, Houston, things like that. So they live inside these big city areas, and now that more people are moving inside the city and cities are getting larger, so a lot of people are migrating to these big cities. So I could see them being in, since they already have this space, they don't really have to pop up any new places in order for them to continue to create revenue. So that is one that I'm looking to add to my portfolio, CubeSmart. And one of the main reasons that I'm going to invest into CubeSmart is because over the past 5 years, Cube has grown its FFO by roughly 8% annually and its dividends by 10%, while maintaining an investment grade balance sheet and expanding its properties portfolio by more than 1.6 billion via acquisitions and development. That means when they see another storage place fail, they pick that one up, they buy that one, and now they have even more storage space. So over the last 5 years, they've been doing extremely well. This is one I'm really gonna add to my portfolio once, you know, the little stimmy once the stimulus check come in, I'm gonna add that one to my portfolio. So that's cute, smart. Let's move on to the second one. All right, here we are on my second one. The second top favorite on here is Realty Income, ticker symbol O, market value of $20.9 billion with a dividend yield of 4.9%. This is the monthly paying dividend stock. Everyone considers ticker symbol O, Realty Income, the monthly paying dividend stock. They pay out their dividends every single month. Realty Income is a reliable net lease retail REIT that owns literally 6,600 retail properties leased to approximately 600 tenants across 51 industries. Its top tenants include Walgreens, ticker symbol WBA, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, ticker symbol DG, FedEx, and Dollar Tree. So you guys can see those ticker symbols right there. All of these companies are pretty much renting out and paying Realty Income. These companies aren't going anywhere. 7-Eleven is going to be there, Dollar General is going to be there, FedEx, Dollar Tree, they're all going to be there. And they're paying, when they make money, Realty Income make money every single month, and that's why they are considered the monthly paying dividend stocks. Don't have to wait on real estates for like houses and people to move inside these houses and try to get real estate income through that way. No, they're going ahead and releasing to these big time companies, and then these companies pay Realty Income, and then Realty Income pays us. So this is another way to invest into real estate. You don't have to go out and buy real estate. You can actually invest into real estate companies like ticker symbol O, Realty Income. And that is another way to increase your real estate dividend portfolio, is by investing into Realty Income. If we dive over to Robinhood, go to ticker symbol O, Realty Income. Over the last year, they're up. Well, they're pretty much break even, but over the last 5 years, they're still a little down, and we got a little ways to go. They had an all-time high over the last 5 years of $80. Right now, we're sitting at 63. I'm currently up $3, pretty much break even. I have 8 shares, and I collect pretty much passive income on Realty Income every single month. So I need to go ahead and get 100 shares of Realty Income, but yeah, the stimmy ain't gonna cover all of that. But let's go ahead and move over to the third REIT that's on this list and see if we're gonna add this to my portfolio. And here we are on the last one, Iron Mountain, market value of $8.7 billion, dividend yield of 8.8%. So this one has the highest dividend yield out of all 13 of them on the list, and out of all 3 that we talked about earlier. So here we are. The REIT is transitioning its business from physical record storage and shredding to much higher margin data storage. Iron Mountain owns 1,450 storage facilities in 50 countries and stores documents and data for more than 225,000 customers worldwide, including 95% of Fortune 1000 companies. Iron Mountain is leveraging its high 95% customer retention rate by cross-selling data storages to its existing customers. It's expected to grow the segment to 10% of adjusted EBITDA in 2020, supporting revenue diversification and margin enhancements. So pretty much they're going from physical records to digital records, and that's always going to be more efficient, and they expect to have a turnaround to grow 10% over the next year. So this could be us getting in early while they're transitioning from physical to digital. Everyone knows digital is going to be a little cheaper than physical, and then it's going to be much more convenient to all of their customers, and things are going to be more streamlined. So that's Iron Mountain. Let's go ahead and dive. I'm really liking Iron Mountain because they're high dividend, but let's go ahead and dive over to Robinhood to check out their gains over the last year. Okay, so here we are on Robinhood, the Iron Mountain, ticker symbol IRM. They're at $35.88, and it looks like they're up $9.85, up 37.84% over the last year. They transitioned from physical to digital not too long ago, so it might not be too late for us to get in on Iron Mountain, especially over the last 5 years. They're just going back into the profits. They've been on the decline. Since they are holders of the top 1,000 Fortune 1000 companies, they're always going to have a retention of their customers. Their customers aren't going anywhere, and then we're going to take this digital phase, take off, and we're going to keep receiving these dividends from Iron Mountain as they continue to transform over from the physical to the digital realm. And there we go, guys. That was a pretty interesting list. Those were my top 3 picks, plus the one I really couldn't talk about. That one is really amazing. You guys should do your research on IIPR. they're gonna make a lot of money in the future, all right? But let me know down in the comment section which one of those three was your favorite. Do you already hold those inside of your portfolio? Let me know down in the comment section. Or if you have another dividend REIT inside of your portfolio that's better than all three of those, let me know down in the comment section as well. This is a great community. I love you guys so much. I read all of your comments, so let me know down in the comment section just in case I'm missing out on anything as well. But other than that, no, before we end, hit the thumbs up button. If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. Like for real, it really helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. But enough talking. I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.